back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Race God here on MX vs. ATV Untamed. Today we're going to be testing the Race God's skill on a dirt bike or on MX. We're going to put on beginner, just so you guys know that I can smoke them. And then maybe we'll put it on the highest difficulty, which would be all time. These guys are just gods. Just like myself. We're going to do it on Columbus. Let's get rolling. 12 riders, single, or multi, MX. Start. This is gonna go down in history. Love this little like warm-up track. It just makes everything awesome. You can do whatever the heck you want. Just die like that. I don't know where my bike is. Gotta roll. Alright, let's smoke them. See if I can lap someone. I don't know if we can. Maybe. Okay. Let's go. Let's see if we all put up. Ooh, come on. Okay, we're already off to a great start. Man, I love these songs. You gotta get the tricks in there, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, we're out of our rhythm. This isn't good. That's how you lose. Ooh, that was some sick tricks. And we don't land it. We're too cool. Let's go. Lazy boy again. That's how good we are. We can just be lazy. Cliffhanger. What? How did I not land? Okay, we'll stop doing it. No, we're gonna keep it tricks. Tricks are too much fun. Let's do some no hands. So that's not no hands. Oh dear. This is on beginner. Look how easy it is. I'm not even trying. In fact, I just land on this guy's side. Actually better on this track with the ATV, but I'm still gonna be perfect. Alright, we're gonna put in some effort now. Here we go. Let's go. Roll it. Lazy boy again, man. He's so lazy. Okay. I can just freaking go up as an idiot. Man, this is great. See if we can do some more tricks up here in the upcoming jumps. Idiot. Can't beat me. Race God never loses. Doesn't matter the difficulty. Come on, I want the no hands. Alright, I have a sweet idea for this jump. Oh, we're so cool we can do backflips just for cool. But we can't land regular jumps. Okay, that's sad. I wonder how far I could have gone if I was actually trying rather than just doing cool tricks. No hands. What? No hands. No, that's not no hands. Where the heck is it? It's just Y, isn't it? Just Y, isn't it? Well, we're not letting these guys beat us. Let's go. Land on this head. This can't be over jumped here. Ooh, we almost got him with our bike there. Okay, that was. Uh-oh, wait a sec. The race is almost over now. Might actually have to start trying. Just kidding, you guys suck. No hands. Come on, just no hands. can't get that jump. I mean, the trick, all it is he literally sticks his hands up in the air. That's it. Why can't he do that? I have no idea. Well, we gotta win. We have like 2 turns left. So we need to land on this guy's back. Another good ending for him. Biker found in track with skull split open by biker tires. Oh, almost. Go bigger, go hole! No, I want the no hands. Why can't you do a simple trick? I've done it like 10 times hoping for it, but no. Oh gosh. I might not even win. No, just kidding, we got this. Not even close, baby. Here we go for the trademark 360. Oh. Thank you all for joining me for this little tour of MX vs. ATV Untamed. If you guys didn't know what it is, it's a really fun game. I really like dirt bikes because of it. It's pretty sweet. Thanks for watching, guys.